This week's featured listing is located at 3008 Lucky Pepper Drive in Cougar Mountain Estates. This subdivision is really coming along. I can't wait to show it to you. Stay tuned. Cougar Mountain Estates is located right off Old Granbury Road, right next to the True Grit Ranch. This subdivision is really coming along nicely. They've already got the roads in place, the electric is in place. These gates are fantastic. Stay tuned, let me show you this lot. Okay, we are at 3008 Lucky Pepper Drive, and as you can see, it's just absolutely gorgeous out here. Very undulating. This lot's a little under 2 acres. There's a fantastic lake view over there. And this lot is already ready to be built on. Wouldn't take much dirt work to put in a nice pad site. Another fantastic amenity of Cougar Mountain Estates. Once you own a lot in here, you have access to the private lake club, which is located about 15 miles from here. And it's right on Lake Granbury. Let me take you over there and you can see it. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. There's the entrance to the private lake club. There's a water feature. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful greenery. There's a pickleball court. Lake Granbury's on the other side of that pickleball court. Here is a area for horseshoes, picnic tables, grills. Absolutely stunning out here. Let's go check out the clubhouse. All right, so here we are up at the clubhouse. It's beautiful here. Inside is a fully furnished kitchen. Great little outdoor sitting area. And you see this beautiful pier over there. This area over here in the clubhouse inside is available for you as a member. Let's go check out the dock. Just beautiful out here, right on Lake Granbury. See those geese? See that man over there fishing? Oh, cool, a crane. Going down the walking path to this fire pit area. So peaceful out here. There's the clubhouse back up there. All right, so here we are, this fantastic fishing pier. This really nice boater over there just told me it was 10 feet deep, and that is really deep for a cove. Take this way, and it takes you right out to Lake Granbury, and Thorpe Springs boat ramp is on the other side of this peninsula. This lot measures 155 by 415 by 334 by 368. If you would like more information about 3008 Lucky Pepper Drive in Cougar Mountain Estates, reach out to me. I'd love to show it to you. My sign's on the property if you want to come out and check it out. Thanks for watching.